Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make moringa leaf powder. First, let's talk about harvesting. You want to select healthy, vibrant green moringa leaves, ideally in the early morning when they are most hydrated. You can harvest by pruning entire branches or by carefully stripping the leaves directly from the stems. Aim for about 1 to 2 pounds of fresh leaves for a good batch. Next, it's crucial to clean your harvested moringa leaves. Rinse them thoroughly under cool, clean running water to remove any dirt or debris. After washing, gently shake off excess water and spread the leaves in a single layer on a clean drying rack. Place them in a well-ventilated, shaded area, as direct sunlight can reduce nutrient content. Allow them to air dry for about 3 to 5 days until they are completely crisp and brittle. Once your moringa leaves are thoroughly dry and brittle, it's time to turn them into powder. You can use a high-speed blender, food processor, or even a spice grinder for this step. Grind the dried leaves in small batches to achieve a fine consistency. After grinding, sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a smooth texture and remove any small, fibrous stems that might remain. Proper storage is key to maintaining the quality of your moringa powder. Transfer the finished powder to an airtight container and store it in a cool, dark, and dry place, away from direct sunlight and humidity. When stored correctly, your homemade moringa powder can stay fresh and nutritious for up to 2 years. You can easily add 1 to 2 teaspoons to your daily smoothies, teas, or sprinkle it into meals for a powerful nutrient boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.